Left-handed mutes? What is that? Is that even possible? Well, in this ukulele video, I'm going to show you exactly how to mute with your left hand. All right, welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. Thanks for being here. I appreciate that. And also thank you for subscribing to the channel and turning on that bell notification. So we hear so much about this word muting, even chucking, and we do so much of it with our right hand, which is our strumming hand, right? And by the way, if you need help with that, I do have a separate video on that because this video is not about that. This one is about muting with the left hand. All right, first thing is it's a lot easier to do these mutes when you have a bar chord or any chord that covers all four strings, like this chord right here. I'm gonna show you a super hip chord. This is the F6-9 chord, all right? So the reason is you want this muting of the left hand to stop the sound, okay? It's a little harder to do it with open position chords because then you gotta bring in your other fingers to stop the strings, all right? So we're gonna grab this F6-9. Now, just check this out. Just do something like this, right? Just strum it down, and then on the second strum, you're muting it, but you're not doing anything with your right hand, okay? It's all coming from the left hand. And all I'm doing here is holding the chord normal, and then I'm just releasing the pressure without lifting up my fingers. I'm not doing this, right? Just that, and then releasing the pressure. That, and then releasing the pressure. And by releasing the pressure, you're getting that beautiful muted sound, okay? And again, nothing with the right hand. This is all just the left hand. So just practice like this. You want to get this used to it. You don't want to hear any like open strings or anything. Just all really nice muted strums. All right, then once you get that, kind of start getting comfortable with that, then you can start adding some more complex rhythm. Matter of fact, in this lesson, we're gonna do a real simple bossa nova pattern. Okay, it's gonna sound like this. What the heck? I want to push you today. I want to push you because that's how we do it at ukelikethepros. And by the way, if you dig any of the stuff we're doing, we have full courses, we have memberships, we do weekly Q&As. We got a fantastic community at ukelikethepros.com, so check that out as well. All right, here's the rhythm. It's going to go like this. Down, down, mute, up, mute, up, mute, up, mute, up. All right, so I know it's a little tough. All the mutes happen to be coming on the downstroke. So if you want to know where those are, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. All right, so the first measure on beats 3 and 4. On that second measure on beats 2 and 4, okay? Let's try this real slow. Do it with me. 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. No, let me do it fast. I'm going to show you one other trick. So if you do it a little faster, it's like this. 3, and. How cool is that, right? That's perfect for like Girl from Ipanema, any kind of bossa nova. Now, one last trick you can do with this muting here is you can make notes short by simply releasing the pressure after you strum. So strum it, release the pressure, and that makes it, that gives you that staccato, that short sound, and that really, for this style, notice how much you can do it. And by the way, nothing going on with the right hand except this eighth notes pattern, this strumming up and down. All right, that was it because it's all being done with the left hand. Now, once you get this down, there's so many applications you can apply it to, and you're not always going to be limited to your right hand muting. So anyway, it is possible, and you can mute with your left hand. Matter of fact, it's a fantastic technique to get down. Practice this. I know I gave you a hard example with this bossa nova thing, but I want to do something cool. And plus, we just released this Girl from Ipanema video recently, so it's right there on my mind. So thanks for being here. Let me know below how you're digging it. Do you like these practice tips? Are you digging bossa nova? Are you getting something out of this left hand muting? I hope so. And we'll see you next time.